Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will make the unboxing, but before I would like to show you my outfit of today, but because it is so dark I had to put a lights on, and I think that little lights behind me, they look really beautiful, like a little sparkles. So I like it. It is, I think, good. I would like to show you today my boots in the brown color, especially the brown suede and not only. So we will make a little compare today. And I've got another pair of the brown boots just because I've been looking for actually a brown boots in the color like my blazer is, maybe a little bit darker. And I found them, and since I tried them on, I knew it that I have to take them with me to home. I'm not sure about the size yet because one boot it is like a little bit bigger than the other, so I have to check again at home. At home I can make a decision because in the shop I feel like I am under pressure, that you know, the shop assistant just standing behind me and she asking me, oh, how is it, and I said, I don't know. I have to just, you know, sit, stand, walk around, and I have to just check the boots how I like to check the boots. So it is really nice experience to buy boots in the shop. I really love it. I would like to make a clear decision, and I would like to make a choice and not under the pressure. That's important, and that's enough, I think, of the stories. So I went to Wojas on Black Friday, and the Black Friday they've got, I don't remember, 20 or 25% off. Some shops they have like 20% off, some shops they've got sale, and from the sale you've got another 20% off. Never mind, let's open it. I didn't know that Wojas have like 35 years so far. That's great. And I've got many boots from Wojas, and I have to say that they are really good quality. I have nothing wrong to say about them. They have very great choice of casual boots, very good choice of the men's boots, short, longer, and all the colors you want. But please, that any brand can make something like this. I've got in this color only my Casaday boots, but I'm not gonna be wearing them like on the daily basics because they are so elegant, and I don't think so that this type of boots, they are good for every day, and they are very high heel, so it is quite difficult to walk in them. That's why I'm looking for something really similar, but with the maybe a block heel, maybe a lower stiletto heel, something different. I wish that the Casaday could be maybe with the little bit lower heel, because for me, I really love to walk in high heels and I am used to do that, but unfortunately looks like they are a bit too high for me. Like for the long walks that I love to walk over Szczecin, I walk 14 kilometers on my boots, in my heels, with the Stuart Weitzman boots that they are, I think, like 10 and a half. So that's not too bad, like 14 kilometers. I think that's a great, that's a great distance. Let me know just how long you can walk in your heel. Just is it at hours, but I think it is all depends from the heel. So I will show you boots that you can walk a really long distance in them, because that's super comfy to walk. I know I've got very similar boots. They are from the Charlene Caltazure or Calzature, I don't remember, but anyway, you have to believe me, I've got size 39 and unfortunately I try to fix them with the heel, but they are still a bit unstable, so I've got these boots from Wojas. What is that plastic bag for? I have no idea. When the shop assistant, she put these boots to this little plastic bag, I was like, what are you doing? I don't need that. Just put them to the box and that's it. They are similar, is it? So let's make a little compare. I know they look much better than the other ones, but a shape it is very beautiful. Maybe in the size smaller they could be better, but they have a little bit different heel and I hope you can see it. The difference between the heel. Oh, this heel, it is so good and so beautiful, but I can't walk in these boots. I don't know what is wrong with them, but I can't. So I'm so happy that I found a similar one in brown color and the suede. It is annoying when you're asking if that is real leather and the shop assistant telling you, yes, of course. Wojas, they have nice grip. 700, let's say. Quite expensive. You can find them also on Zalando. I have to say that they are really great quality. They won't be super long. Oh, much shorter than the other ones, but I still like them. Let's try these boots now. Of course, I will try to make the cutaways because I know it is from the distance hard to see the boots, but anyway, I have to say that they are very beautiful, very good boots for every day. And as I can see them in my mirror on the side, I am so happy with this purchase. So from this price, 150 minus 20%, that's a really great offer, like for the boots that I know that I will be walking. Same, I've got knee-high boots with the block heel from Ryuko, and they are also beautiful, but with Wojas you can find almost same boots. So I was like, really? And I think that they're a little bit higher. So, but anyway, boots I think that they are very nice, very elegant, they fit beautiful on the leg, and yeah, maybe they are not stretch boots like the other ones, but I still like them and I think that they are still beautiful. You can see how this outfit, maybe today this blazer, it is not good. I'm supposed to wear my Cassidy boots with this blazer. For sure that could be a beautiful outfit. I love these warm colors together. But anyway, today outfit it is with the dark chocolate color and maybe the cinnamon. So I think that outfit it is just really good. I think I will keep these boots. Like I said, I think that the right shoe it is a bit bigger than the left, but I think I have to just stretch it out because probably it was a last pay in the shop, so probably many ladies try on the right boot and nobody tried left. So you know, like in the shops there is only just the one boot on the shelf, and then you have to ask for the size, and then ladies they will bring you another size. So I hope that for the after Christmas I will go for more shopping tours, because after Christmas sales will be incredible and I think much higher and better discounts than the Black Friday offers and the Cyber Monday and everything. I don't feel like there was like super sale, just because I feel like, for example, H&M have always a sale like minus 20 or 25%. With Zara, I found really beautiful discounts and I placed 2 orders. But unfortunately, they've got only sale on the Black Friday and that's it. And they have just limited amount of the things on this sale. For example, I love to buy more things, but no size left, or just extra large, or just completely sold out many things from my wish list. And since I'm back on the next day to my basket and to my wish list, all sizes come back to stock. A miracle. That's it in my video today. Thank you so much for watching. And please let me know in comments, what do you think about these boots? What do you think about the other boots I've got? And I hope that you like my new boots. I will make more outfits in the future, and for sure will be vlogs in these boots too. They are more autumn boots, but I think that weather in the December, it is still like the autumn season. So not really winter, not really snow yet. It was like just one day of the little snow, just little, and that's it. I think that for me, a real winter, it is from the Christmas day and then January and February. That's my like 2 months and little of the December when we can have a snow, really cold temperatures and everything. I think that with my brown fur from Zara that I look like teddy bear, but anyway, I think that these boots will be really good, but also any black, any other ones. And these boots will be also really great with any beige outfits, something white. You can really create a nice outfit with the dark brown boots. So I am so happy that I've got a nice pair of the boots that I can walk a long distance, because walking in the beautiful boots for the long time, it is really a great fun for me and I really love it. I am not a person who just walking in sneakers and changing boots just for the picture, just for the Instagram post. And you can see on my vlogs and everywhere on my channel that I'm really walking in boots all the time, and I've got so many boots. I don't know how many. Sometimes people ask me in the comments how many boots you've got. I stop counting. I don't know, 50, 70, maybe 100. I have really no idea, because I've got many boots. Now I think I've got like 7 pair of boots. There's like 4 pair with the 1 cobbler, and 4 pair with the cobbler, and the 3 pair I've got with my shoemaker. So 7 pair outside home, a few pairs still in the boxes in my garage, then more pairs in my 1 wardrobe, 2nd wardrobe, and 3rd wardrobe, and the 4th. So I've got like 4 wardrobes with the boots. I've got wardrobe in my garage with the brand new boots in the boxes that I just walk in them a little at home, like for the, the Casa Day Flora. I twisted my ankle too many times in these boots to just bring them back home, because I know since I bring back these boots to home, I will put them on and same thing happen. I'm not gonna... No, that's a big no. And some people ask me about the Flora boots, and I'm so sorry, I don't wanna twist my ankle boots again. So they are in the box and they're in the garage waiting for... Maybe I will just sit in the car and I will just make some pictures in the car, and that's it. No standing up, no walking in these boots, nothing. Just put them on, make a picture and take them on. That's my Flora boots, and that's it. I don't know why. I don't know why this happening. I thought that it is because the platform, but I've got also the Fernando with the platform, the beautiful brown boots, and they are really great, and I don't feel anything. So I have no idea why this happens. Okay, I think I'm talking like 5 minutes now, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in the next video. Bye.